What's up guys, DarkRP series. Today I'm gonna do part 2 of my HD coding series, and I'm really sorry for the long delay. I just did not have the possibility to upload videos for quite a long time. It's getting better. I hope I can get a stable connection soon, but yeah, I don't really know. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna cover how to make a basic health bar, armor bar, hunger bar and stamina bar if you have my add-on. So yeah, first off we want to draw a kind of background for this bar, so draw a rounded box, and I want to have a rounded of 6, and I'm just going to take the X up here minus that, remember the minus 10, so we just get a border of 10 on each side, and I'm going to do the same for the Y position right there, and then we're going to set the width to 400 minus 20 because there's 10 pixels on each side that we're not going to use. And then for the height I'm just going to set that to 30, and then for the color I'm going to set that to a light gray, so that's like 100, 100, 100 and 255. So that shows up now. So to make that health bar, we first off going to make 2 variables, and that's a local draw health, that's a local player health or 0. I'm just going to copy that, copy paste that, and change the draw health to echo health. There we go. So now to draw the stamina, or to draw the health bar, sorry, we're going to use draw dot rounded box. Oops, 6 SCRW. Let's just take that from up here. SCRW minus 400 minus, or plus 2, sorry, because we want to have a 2 pixel border from the light gray box here. And then for the X position again, we're gonna just plus that with 2, and that's not the X, that's the Y position, sorry. And then for the width, that's 400 minus 20 minus 4. Let's just use 24. And for the height, we're going to use 30 minus 4. And I'm just going to set this to red. So that's 255, 0, 0, and 255. So let me just say that, and you can see that that shows up. It does not show my health just yet because we did not add that. So to make this box show the health, we're going to put that in parentheses, times that with the draw health, and divide it with 100. So now if you just go in game again, you can see here when I die the box actually goes down. Let me just try to get a other amount of health. Let me just set my own health, that's probably easier. Set health 40. You can see that box goes down, but there's a problem. For example, when you die, the box here is kind of bugged. And if you give yourself more than 100 health, 200 for example, the box goes off the screen. So to fix that, we're first off gonna make an if statement for the draw health. So if draw health is higher than 100, then draw health is 100. And then we're also gonna do if for draw health is lower than 0. Then draw health is 0 and end. So now we're going to do an if statement here, and that's if draw health is 0, or it's not 0, it's not 0, then we're going to draw this box and we're going to end it right here. So let's just do that. There's a script on it, let's just see, whoops. Then there we go, let me just fix that right there. So you can see the box is now fixed even though I have 200 HP. So let me just lose some health, and you can see the box is not bugged anymore. So now to display some text on the screen, for example the health is 200% or whatever, you're gonna use, let's not do that in the if statement, but do it out here. So that is draw text. And then the first value is what you want to draw, or the text you want to draw. So I'm just going to use health is, and then to put in a variable after string, you're going to put in 2 dots, and then just a variable name. So that is echo health, comma. Then we need a font. I'm going to do that a bit later. Then we need the X position. Just going to take this from up here. And then we also need the Y position. Also just going to put take that from up here. And then the color. And I'm just going to use white color. 255, 255, 255, and 255. So now to find a font, you can either use a default font or you can make your own. In this tutorial, I'm just going to use a default font. So to find the default fonts, you can go to this page. I'm going to put a link in the description. And I'm just going to take this font right here. There's a little example of the different fonts down here. So you can find something that match your HUD. And if you can't find anything, you will have to make your own. And there's a link right here to the page where you can make your own font. So now we have that. We'll have to insert that right here. Click save, and you'll see it'll display right here. So now we pretty much have that done. If you want to make a armor bar, you just have to change the health to armor instead, like that. And if I give me some armor, you can see it goes up. You should probably change the text because that looks kind of stupid, but yeah. And then for the hunger, I currently have hunger disabled, so it will not work, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And you can do that by typing in match dot seal, and that's a local player. Get DarkRP var, and that's energy. Oops, let's put that inside there. Energy or 0. Just gonna copy that and insert it right here. So you can see here this will go down to 0 because I've hunger mod disabled. So now for the stamina, and this will of course only work if you have my stamina add-on. You can find that on my website. And the code for this is local player. You get NW int TCP underscore stamina or 0. Let me just copy that and insert it down here. So you can see that it goes to 100, and when I run it goes down slowly. So yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please go and rate and subscribe.